Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see SC-200 Microsoft Security Operation Analyst Lab 16 Security Rule in Microsoft Sentinel. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I am logged on to the portal. Let me go to home now. When I'm logged on to the portal, I'll look for Microsoft Sentinel and click on it. I'll click on the workspace that is onboarded to Microsoft Sentinel. And I will look for Analytics under Configuration. These are my analytics rules that are in place. I will click on, you will see the active rules by default. Click on Edit. Okay, now you click on Edit. It says filter by severity. Automated response. You can change anything that you want in this analytics rule. If you will go for the rule logic, you can set the rule to disabled as well. And response review, you click on save. That is how you can create a new, edit the analytics rule that is created. So sometimes under the default rules will be created like one rule that will, one of the examples of the rule that will be created by default or activated when you have the Defender for Cloud connector. When you will configure the Defender for Cloud connector, you will see one active rule which is create incidents based on Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Right, so that is how some of the security rules or analytics rules are created by default whenever you configure or connect a data connector into the Microsoft Sentinel. I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.